Hey everyone, want to save projects in Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to save, organize, and manage your AI video projects step by step. First, open the Luma AI website and sign in to your account. Next, create a new video project or open an existing project from your dashboard. Now check your project status and make sure your generated videos are completed before saving. Luma AI automatically stores your projects in your account. You can return to your dashboard later to access your previous creations. Next, organize your projects by keeping your videos, prompts, and ideas clearly named so they are easier to find. If available, download important videos to your device as a backup. You can also save your best prompts separately so you can recreate or improve your videos in future projects. Finally, review your saved projects regularly and remove any unnecessary files to keep your workspace organized. And that's how to save projects in Luma AI. With proper organization and backups, you can easily manage your AI creations and continue improving your videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.